Bring the beat in. I just saw on Instagram that Beyonce and Jay-Z are going on tour again, and I'm so excited. If that's real, then I need tickets right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to be doing another try-on haul because, as you guys saw if you watch my weekly vlogs, I cleaned out my closet about a week or so ago, and I'm trying to revamp my wardrobe for spring, and there is so much new cute stuff that has come out. I'm getting a really good vibe of all the spring trends that I'm seeing coming ahead, so I ordered a ton from ASOS. You guys know how much I love ASOS. They have a great plus size section, so I order from there quite a bit. So I have some shoes. I have like a lot of different clothing options, so much cute stuff. Perfect for the springtime, so I thought I would just do a little chit chat try on haul, and I'll link everything below for you guys in the description box if you feel like shopping at home. Everything is plus size. So let's hop into the video. Okay, I really love this outfit. So I wore this the other day on my Instagram and got so many questions on it. So this is the top. It's super cute. It's kind of like oversized, like got the flare out at the bottom, but it's oversized, so it doesn't really matter. It's got a little tie on the sleeve, a little flare out, a really cute pattern. So it's all just kind of this nice floral. So it is crisscross. I wore it out the other night and I did pin this because otherwise it does get a little bit revealing, but I think it's really cute for the upcoming spring season. It's really casual and comfortable and flowy. So I love these jeans. They're super different. I don't have anything like it with the little cutout in front. I don't remember what they were called, but they're super cool, and I just think they're really edgy and different. They're really stretchy. They come to a nice like mid-rise. They're not super high, but they're comfortable enough. And I like the color. It's kind of like a faded medium wash blue. And I don't know if you can tell, but it has like a stripe down the center going to that little opening at the bottom, but I think it jazzes up the jeans and they're very cool. Okay, so this top desperately needs to be ironed, but it is so cute. Perfect for spring. I absolutely love the color. It's kind of showing up a little bit darker on camera, but as you can see when the light hits, it's like a really pretty kind of dusty, blushy nude. I know it needs to be ironed so bad, but I love this little floral detailing up here. Little embroidery. We have this option to be tied, but I like it open. The flare out bell sleeve. The cool thing about this material is it's not very heavy, so it's more comfortable to wear if you get like hot easily like I do. It's a little bit more comfortable to wear. Like the sleeves are actually very thin, and then this is like the same material, but it's got like double layering, so it's not see-through. So it's definitely a really comfy, flowy top, and I just think it is so pretty and so perfect for spring and easy breezy. Okay, so like you're gonna have to prepare yourself for the cutest romper, jumper, whatever you want to call it. I think I'd call this a romper you've ever seen in your life. I love this so much. Are we okay? Am I gonna wear this every day? I think so. I'm obsessed with this. The ruffle detailing is absolutely everything. We have ruffle at the bottom, coming up the sides, even in the back of the booty. And then it has the cute little cinched sleeve at the bottom, so you get that cute little flowiness. The color is absolutely perfect. It's this gorgeous dusty pink. I don't know how it's showing up on camera, but in person it's almost between dusty pink and like a salmon-y color. And it has this cute little tie. Up at the neck we have this really beautiful detailing. Unfortunately, I can't do the back by myself at home. Like it has like a little pin. I need help, but it fits like a glove. It's so pretty. I feel like you could dress this up with like wedges or heels and wear it to like a baby shower or even a wedding, or you could just throw on like sandals with it and wear it to brunch with a friend. I don't know. It's just everything. Like if you buy anything from this video, it needs to be this so we can be twins because it's amazing. Okay, so a little known fact about me, even though I do like to dress up, most days I'm wearing really casual, like kind of athleisure-y outfits just because I like to be comfortable, but kind of rock that like sporty glam look where you like have glam makeup, like a sporty outfit. I like that. That's just me. So I picked up these gorgeous leggings. These are definitely more like of an activewear legging, but they're so cool. I love like the detailing and the stripe. You can see how it has like all this cool coloring and design. on each leg. I think it's kind of cool and flattering. And then they had a plus size Puma line. I want to say I got these both in a 2X, but this is just a Puma windbreaker. I think the color is really cool and it matches this really well. I don't think that was even planned, not the same line, but I just think this is really, really cute. And I just love how this matches. The hood is really cool too. It says Puma on the hood. Hopefully you could see it. So it's got the 3/4 neck zip. It also has a little pocket under here as well, which is super convenient if you actually like, you know, want to wear this out and about. And it has a little stretchy section on the sleeve, which is kind of cool. I love the stripe, love the color. And I need like a good kind of a raincoat windbreaker situation because I don't have anything like this. So I think together with some black sneakers, it would be super cute. Next we have this adorable top. I love this so much. I think this would look so cute with like some high-waisted trousers or jeans. It is a little bit on the shorter side, but I do have a really long torso, as you guys know. But I think for like a normal torsoed person, it would be fine, or you can size up. I just got my usual size. I can't remember if I got a 16 or an 18, but if you wanted it to be longer, you could definitely size up a size or 2 because it does cinch, so you kind of have a little bit of control on the waist. So the design is really pretty. It's got kind of just this little floral pattern with these little dots, and it's like a burnt to mustard color. I don't know if burnt mustard is a color, but it is now. So it's got this really cute ruffle detailing along the neck. It's so dainty and so pretty, and it goes down into the cleavage, and then it follows down here. The wraparound is a little bit confusing, so be careful, but it just looks really cute once you figure it out. Like so perfect for spring, and the color, the pattern, even these cool bell sleeves are so cute. I just love this top. I think it is so pretty. I'm like all about like yellow and mustard. It's become one of my favorite colors for clothing. Okay, now this is amazing. I have wanted something like this for such a long time. This kind of like, I don't even know what to call it, this kind of shaggy, it's like a shag carpet in a cardigan. It is so cool. So first of all, the colors on it are amazing. It's kind of like a really, really pale blush and some gray and some off-white. So I did size up on this because I wanted it to be big, but it's definitely a little bit too big. The good thing is I can kind of just rock it being too big, but you don't have to size up on this one. I'm contemplating exchanging it just because the sleeves are really long. I usually love really long sleeves, but it's just a little too much. But overall, it is so cute. You could jazz up just like a t-shirt and jeans, leggings and jeans. And it's just like super on trend and really, really trendy and chic. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I just feel like a super big, cozy monster. I wish I had like more to say about it. I don't know what else to say. Like you can really just see how it looks. Like it's got that classic, you know, shag rug texture. The color is just so perfect for spring. It comes to a little bit above my knee and I'm obsessed with it. I guess that's all I can say. It's so cool. So this is what the inside looks like as well. Almost looks like a homemade like scarf. Like it's totally like knit. So it's very cool. And it will actually keep you pretty warm too. So it's perfect for like that winter to spring transition. I picked up a couple of jackets as well. I just wanted like some interesting spring jackets. So this one's really cool. It's like a khaki kind of vibe, but it's got more of a like really dusty, like almost lavender blush undertone to it. I did go ahead and add a little roll to the sleeve because it is a little bit shapeless, but I really love a good rolled sleeve. So this could look really cute open or buttoned. I kind of like it open, but if you want to button it, it looks like this. Has like a ruffle down the front. I think it's really, really cute. It's kind of like an elevated, like regular khaki jacket. You know those like khaki military jackets? So it's just kind of like a cooler version of that. It has pockets, here they are. And I just think it's really cute and kind of oversized and could kind of jazz up an outfit. But I really like this. I think the ruffle just makes it really cool, and I like how, you know, when you button it, it's got snap buttons too, so it's really easy to button and unbutton. It has like a nice collar. Yeah, I like this a lot. I feel like I'm just gonna wear it kind of like relaxed and open and kind of just like let it do its thing like that, you know? But I think this is perfect for spring, perfect for layering when you just need a little bit of extra warmth, but you don't need too much. Okay, this may look a little crazy, but I think it looks really cool. So first of all, this was originally oversized, but I ended up sizing up even more because I just wanted it to look, I wanted it to look like this, like kind of just like really big and like almost more like weird, fashionable, I don't know. So this is kind of like not a raincoat, but it's kind of like a classic, you know, spring jacket. I just think it looks really cool oversized. You definitely don't have to size up on this because it is already oversized in your original size. So I did go ahead and tie the waist. I like the colors on this because the outside's that khaki color, and then it has little pops of like a lavender gray color. This is what the zipper looks like. So I think it's really cool. It has these big pockets, and I just think it's like really fashionable, but also will keep you warm and cozy. So untied, you could wear it kind of boxy, or if you wanted to wear it open, I think it looks kind of cool open too. It just kind of looks like a big oversized coat. I'm into it. I think that's a really cool look, and this was already rolled on its own. That's how it comes. I don't know, don't you think it's kind of cool, kind of fashionable? Maybe just me, that's okay, do you. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys the shoes. I'm just gonna hold them up. I love nude, I love dusty pink, I love blush. That's no secret here on this channel. Okay, so I picked up a pair of these wide sneakers. I don't know, I'm gonna hold them up like this. Hello! These are so cute. They're just these cute little tennis sneakers. They're pretty basic, but they have, you know, the white bottoms, and then they're a really pretty blush color, kind of like a dusty blush. But I love, ASOS also has a ton of good like wide fit shoes. You can specifically look for like wide fit shoes in that section, so I love shopping for shoes on that site. These are super comfortable because sometimes with sneakers, if they're not wide enough, my pinky toe can rub, and these fit really well. These are so cute. They look kind of like the Valentino shoes, so they just have the cute little studding on them. And these are wide as well, which is crucial because these would normally be way too tight on my little toesies. But these are cute. They go up, and then they have a little ankle strap. They fit super well. They're very comfortable. These are more nude than blush, but they're just so cute, and I feel like they'll spice up any outfit during the upcoming spring and summer. They're like a little bit more dressy than the average sandal. These are amazing. So last summer, I don't know if you remember, I had a pair of shoes just like this, but they were black with brown down here, and they've really just run their course. And one of them, my friends might know this if you're watching by some chance, when I walk on one of them makes like a air squeaky puff sound. It's like so those shoes have run their course. So I wanted to pick up some new platforms. These are extremely comfortable. They're like between a nude and a blush color. So they have a nice thick strap, they have the platform, they have the ankle strap up here. I feel like these are so cute, and they can be worn really casually with just like jeans and a t-shirt, but they're so cute. Oh my gosh. And the shoes on ASOS are like really actually affordable if you're not getting like a really high name brand, but ASOS the brand has a ton of really cute shoes, so I'm obsessed with those. I got one last pair of shoes. I've been wanting to try a platform sneakers, so I got a pair of just like white tennis shoe sneakers that are platform. So they have like a solid, well, like an inch or so for a platform. I think these are so cool. They'll spice up an outfit. Again, I really like to say that, spicing up an outfit, but they're adorable, and they go with pretty much anything. I think these would even look super cool with a dress, you know, like a casual day-to-day dress, and like moto or denim jacket. So cute. They can kind of like downplay a more fancy outfit. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's haul. Let me know your favorite piece down below in the comments. I'm dying to know. What trends are you excited about coming up for spring? Where do you want to see a haul from next? You guys know I love to do plus size fashion hauls for you. I'm always looking for the next cutest stuff to show you guys. So I love you so much. Thank you for hanging out today. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!